Hello, this is Ripunochan Chapul from WP Theme Hut, and in today's episode, we will have a look how we can dynamic this back to top button. So with the Redux framework, we will do that part. So today we'll use the switch button. Like it will be a switch button like on and off. If we on the button, then the preload, then this back to top button will show. If we off the button, then it will be off. So we'll check make this part with the Redux framework in this part. So here you can see we have made with general, then preloader, then logo, then we'll made another one that is called back to top. So for making that, we'll go here in the preloader sections here, and there is another section that is logo. So I just need to duplicate this part here. So I'll copy from this part and I will paste it here, or I will just remove these sections from here, and we need to change the text from here. So I'll change this to back to top, back to top, and this ID obviously need to be changed also. So take this back to top. Okay, back to top. Great. Now if you want that, okay, no, I don't want to be this part to be inside the general. I want to make a new sections like the import export section is here now. So I want to make a new one. So for that I just need to remove this subsection true. I need to remove this part, and if I go here and give a refresh, then you will see this back to top is coming with another one in separate part. So I don't want that. I will make it inside the general section. So I have just shown you that how to make the subsection things here. So subsection is true, that's why it is coming inside the section. So in the fields, we will set here this one as a take base back to top button, back to top button, and type this one will be Swiss, SWITCH, Swiss. So Swiss is the type. Then we don't need the URL here. We can set we don't need the compiler also. We can set the title. So we'll set the title to uh, show back to top, and again a question sign. So if I go here and give a refresh now, then the back to top part has come. Now you can see here on and off button is already here. So in the description part, I will say set some description that by switching this, you can on or off the back to top button. By switching this, you can on off back to top button. Okay, and there is subtitle also. The subtitle. So you can set that too. I will just give a refresh here. You can set the subtitle to the same one now. So I don't want to change these things from here as this, and the preview size full. That this is also not needed because this was set as a set for the media type now. So we have successfully set this on or off. Now it's time to check the value that what is the value of this take this back to top button. So this back to top button is coming from a place that is called this. So I'll just search a bit that okay, where is this coming from? So I'll search it here. So okay, from here the footer.php that thing is coming. So I need to global the Redux variable first. then I need to do some works here. So I'll do that from like if I go here in inc, then hooks function, then we can check here that how we have done with these things. As you can see here with global techbridge opt, if I so I need to write php, then obviously I need to end the php here, and again global techbridge opt, then I need to check the value of techbridge opt, na, not techbridge opt. As you can see here, if the logos, then it's coming like this. So I will check the value of back to top. So I'll copy this and I'll just var dump that what is the value. Techbridge opt. Just check it that how I am working here. Then bracket. Then from the options, I need to make sure this one is there. So I'll just paste it and check the value of this thing. So if I give a refresh here, so you can see undefined array key that is called null. If I set the value to on, then click on save, then if I give a refresh, then let's see. Okay, so the problem was it was set it to off, that's why the value was going to null. Okay, so we need to check here in the footer.php if, so I will make a variable here first with like take this back to top is equal, then I need to make sure this is here, and I will check if this back to top value is equal 1, okay, is equal 1, then this will be printed there, otherwise not, then this back to top button will be printed. So if I just go here now and give a refresh, it is on now. So if I click on save changes and give a refresh here, then it will show. If I just turn it off and click on save button, then if I give a refresh, then it will be not shown because I have give it inside the conditions. So this way we can work with the switch button. Now another thing we need to check that, okay, if it is on, then there will be some options here in bottom that how we can change the color of that back to preload back to top. So I want to change the background color, I want to change the hover color, hover background color also. So we'll have a look on that part. So I will copy some color. Suppose as you can see here, we are having a color ID here with from the back previous one. So I will write like back to top color, back to top BG color. Okay, so to top back to top color, and it will be color and output will be set it as so I want to set the background color for this one. So as you can see, the background color will be set for scroll btn I. So this is the color that need to be set. So I'll set it here as a background GROUND background color, and important will be true. And in preloader text color will set back to top background color. BACKGROUND background color. Before that we need to write back to top background color, and the subtitle we can set the same one. You can make it like yours. Okay, and these things. Now if I go here and give a refresh, I will see the options here, and if I click on save changes, it is completely black now. Now if I give a refresh here, now we'll see the background color that has been set as black. As you can see, it is coming from with the important. And now if I click on the off, then you can see the back to top background color that is also coming. But I don't want that. I want that when I click on off, then these back to top background color options, this will be also hidden. So what I need to do, I need to go here in this take this back to top color in here, and I will write required 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 is equal. I want it has a things that it need to be inside the array, so I need to write the array, and inside that this take this back to top button, this value is equals. So here's the string equals equals, again a comma, then it is equal 1. So it is required when this value will be set it as on. So if I go here and give a refresh, then if I click on off, then you will see this is gone totally. And if I click on save changes, then if I give a refresh, you can see the magic, it is not there anymore. And if I go to on again, and then if I change the color to this and save changes, then if I give a refresh now, then you can see the changes here. So by this way you can just set the switch button, and by this uh, required value you can set the hidden and show things for your options. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode.